Today, you have no excuse not to start with dropshipping or ecom if you want it, of course. But because when I started, we didn't have these tools. The tools that are out there today is crazy. And everything is going so quickly, and you need to follow along, but you need to do it the right way. And you need to do it with a little bit more finesse, okay? I will show you. Today we will build a landing page or a product page really quick, of course, with AI. I will use Atlas AI, but I will also show you how to do it the right way. We will jump into it directly. You see here, it's a totally new Shopify store that I started just for this case of video. I have chosen a product. This 2-in-1 color changing foundation. And what you will need, because we want to do this better than anyone else, because that's also the problem with these AI tools is, of course, that everyone is using them, okay? Everyone is using them, so you need to be a step before everyone else, and you need to do this the correct way. So what I need you to prepare before is 4 to 5 clean product photos. You can do this in Canva or Photoshop or whatever you are using. Canva is, of course, free, so that's the best way to do it. 2 to 3 lifestyle photos. 1 to 2 GIFs, and these photos you can create by using ChatGPT or another AI tool if you want. Before and after photos, if the product need before and after photos. Not every product need before and after photos, but if you are selling in like beauty or something like that, you need before and after photos. Maybe some review photos, some bad photos, I call them. It should be selfies on people. And you should find your ICP with ChatGPT or with Cloud. I have a video on my YouTube channel where I explain how to find your ICP. We go in really deep in it, and I think you should watch that. But otherwise, this is how you do it. I will sell this color changing foundation in UK. Here you have the AliExpress link. Who is my competitors? And you just ask ChatGPT and you get a long answer. It doesn't matter what they answer. You're just warming up ChatGPT right now to get to know your product. What is the best selling price? Is the next question. And the next question is, who is my customer? And then you will get a customer. And the perfect customer persona, your ICP. And this is just 3 questions, of course. 3 questions. You shouldn't just answer 3 questions. You should go deep in this. You should have like 15 minutes, 20 minutes to do this. Ask a lot. Ask about the angles you should do. Try to find an angle and go really deep. Who is this person? What they are doing every day and everything. The more you know about your ICP, the better it is. And the more you speak to that person, the easier you will find your customer. And then we go to the store, and I have actually prepared this because I had some problem. I needed to install Shopify payment before I could install Atlas. I needed to do it in the... but what you do is you go to one of my videos, and here you have the link to Shopify. If you want to start Shopify, it's only $1 a month for 3 months. Really great deal right now. And you support the channel, of course, if you do that. And then the next link is this, Atlas AI Store Builder. And you come to the App Store, you just download it on your store, and it will look something like this. And what we will do here is that we will take the link from AliExpress. We go back. Here you can choose to enter research text about the ICP. I suggest you do that. I won't do that in this because I will only show you how to build. So paste your link and push proceed. And it will build your store. Yes, and there the store is ready. So... do some push-ups or something when AI is working for you. So what we will do here is we will leave the pictures because we will change them after. Like I said, you will have 4 product photos, so we will change that after. Continue. And you see, here is our store. It is quite insane. And I think the color is really good. This is the color I would have used by myself. So let's just push continue. And it's setting it up. And then we come to this page, and they want you, of course, a little bit upsell if you want to use their bundles. I really don't use their bundles. I really like Kaching, so I skip this setup. Also the cart, I skip. And now they will import my page. And it's done. We have our new website. Yeah, it's good. I can say that. Oh no, I don't want to leave a review right now, or I can't do that. So here is everything. What we need to do now is we will have to go. We can view our store if you want. And this is in the theme editor, of course. And this is how it's looking right now. And it's looking really, really good. But we need, of course, to do some things. The first thing we need to do is go to our product. Okay, I have two. I don't know why. And here we have our product. And what we will do here is that we will upload some new photos, the photos we have. And we are uploading some product photos. Here we go. Boom. And we will take this, delete this photos that Atlas had. Here we have our photos, and we will have that one first, and then maybe that one. And it's 3, yes, it's 3. So we have the dark skin, it's that one. The ivory white is that one. And the natural is that one. And I will also put natural at the top, dark skin ivory, yes. And then we will need to bulk edit. Oh, we need to save first. Look at that, inventory is not stocked, that's good, because we are doing dropshipping. But we will edit this one, we will take, let's see, okay, now it's in Swedish kroner. Let's do 299 Swedish kroner. Boom. And column, compare price, 399. Boom. Save it. We go back. And now we have our product. Boom. We go to our online store. Boom. So here is our product page. And what I usually do when I will edit this is, you see it looks a lot better, of course, with our product, our own products. And then we need to go over everything and change the text. And here you will be also ChatGPT will help you, and I want you to go over every section with ChatGPT. And now we have great photos here of everything, quantity, foreign purchase, it's really good. What I do is that I start often at the bottom and I will go over everything. This one section I don't want. The FAQ is good. I think this one is good. The The customer reviews is good, of course. This one is comparison table. Maybe we will have that. Benefits you love. We will have that one. White House and Trust. This is good. Achieve perfect. Maybe this. That one I won't have. Flawless. Custom radiant skin. I don't like that one. Maybe this is too much, or yeah, we can take that away also. Then we have this one. So we're just cleaning it up now. We're cleaning up a little bit because Atlas is really good. It has really good sections, but I think it's maybe a little bit too much. So you can clean it up a little bit. So perfect. And then I always do like this, because what are we doing when we are selling? We are selling, when we're doing dropshipping, we are selling on emotions and solving a problem for our customer. And what they want to see is that the product works and that we are legit. And that we do with social proof. And here we have a lot of social proof, of course. Here first we have the ratings. We have that Sarah and 438 people purchased. Then we have here some testimonials. And we have more testimonials here. Actually, what I will do with that testimonial is that I will drag that up. So that's the first thing you will see. We have some testimonials here, so we will put it at the second thing you see. So when you go here, you will go, okay, that one I took like that. Maybe it's no. Here, let's see. Boom. There we have it. And then there. Yes. And what we now will do is that we will go over the site. This one, we will change the picture, of course. And I have some more pictures that I had done. So maybe we will take a social proof here that someone is holding a product, of course, that it's working in real life. So we have that one, and then we go down. Here we will also change. I think this one we will change to a GIF. And that one we will also change. That one we will change to our product picture. And we go down and we will change this. Is our like call to action picture. So that one I will have this one. On the call to action picture, I would like to have some more social proof, also like bought by, loved by, or something like that. You will see here. On this one we have 30 days guarantee. So you will see so we have some more selling points on the last call to action picture. So you see now this website is starting to look really good. We also need a logo, of course, that we edit in theme settings. We will save. Logo. And that one. Just do a simple logo, okay? I will name this Cara, the store. So just a simple logo for your store, like that. Mobile height, we can do it a little bit bigger. Or not. Maybe it's more clean like that. Yes, that's perfect. So now we have it. Everything is looking great. And what we will do now we save it. This is perfect for testing this This is really perfect. What you will do now is go over every section here, and you can take a screenshot and upload it to ChatGPT and help them, and they will help you do this perfect for your ICP and talk to your ICP. And this is really, really important, because this will make you stand out for everyone else, of course. And you see how easy you can make a product page. I think we have done this in like 8 minutes or something. And you put 10 more minutes adjusting all the text, and it's perfect to go. And the last thing we will do later, I will do that in the next video, is to do a great bundle of this. And I will dedicate a whole video to that, because it's a lot of things going into making the perfect bundle. So I want that to be a separate video. But here you have the site. It's almost ready for testing. You just need to check over the text, of course. Welcome to our store. Here I will have the offer, of course, if you have buy 2 get 3 or something like that. And then you go over every text. You can take away what's unnecessary to have, because we're gonna have a bundle. Here you don't need like this one you don't need, and things like that. We can make it even more clean, and we will do that in the next video. But this is how fast you can have a product page in 2026. And I think you should really use Atlas AI, because it's a really good AI tool. I have tested a lot of them, and Atlas is the one that I think is the best one right now. So that was all for this video, and please like, subscribe, and that's really helping the channel, and I hope I see you in the next video.